Timberdoodle is my go-to place if I want some fun activities for my kids. And in this case, it's Tenzi. I had the privilege of being able to review Tenzi with my girls. It instantly became a favorite, and I'm not even exaggerating. My girls have played Tenzi over and over and over since we got it. It is so much fun. Basically, it's a dice game, and so it comes with sets of 10 dice. There's 4 sets of 10 dice, and they're different colors. Each person gets a set of 10 dice, and the object of the game is that you keep rolling your dice until you get all of the same number. So you get all 6s or all 5s or 4s or whatever. So that alone is super fun. Even my 4-year-old can play that because she can identify how many dots are on the dice. But it gets better because there is a deck that has 77 ways to play Tenzi. So it has all kinds of things, such as where you put the dice on your head and every time it falls off, like in this case, you have to start over. There is where you have to clap between each roll. There's where you make animal noises. There's where you get 6 4s and 4 6s. There's all kinds of things that you can do to alternate how you are playing the game. And so what the girls and I like to do is just go through the deck, and when we find one we want to do, we do that one. And then there's an end of the card game where the last person to win basically has to clean up the game, and so that's really fun too. But basically you don't get sick of this game. It is so much fun. It doesn't matter how many times you play it. It's really engaging for all ages, from really toddlers to adults. So we highly recommend Tenzi. Definitely go check it out. I also wanted to mention that Tenzi is perfect to play over Zoom. I have an adult daughter, and we are always looking for things to play with her over Zoom, and Tenzi is one that just works perfectly. So it is super fun and easy to play with others over Zoom. So grandparents or siblings or friends, everybody can play Tenzi together over Zoom, and it is super fun and engaging during this time. So definitely check out Tenzi. You really, truly will not be disappointed.